going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And as you guys can see by the title, today is the Bimmers and Beers that I'm hosting in Lexington. So I have Joy behind me and Dallas. So we are on our way down to the venue to set up, and then we have about, I'd say about an hour before people start showing up by the time that we get there. So we were supposed to be there early, but like usual, for some reason we always end up running late. So one of the things that I might have to do is aim for a certain time, and then like earlier than normal, that way so we end up leaving on the actual time that we're supposed to leave. But it's gonna be a good turnout. It's a nice day, and I'll see you guys when we get there. How you doing, man? What up?
What's up, bro?
All the guys.
Yeah.
I know, right? Hey, at least you guys came early, though.
Yeah,
My fear was like you guys showing up late and then this whole lot was full.
I knew this would happen, but let's go early.
Yeah. Bad about vlogging, but it is 11:47 and we have that area filled. We got this area filled, that area is filling up. Got Jari. Oh shit. Scare orange. Ooh, red DRLs. Let's see. What y'all got back here? Y'all going fishing?
Yes, I'm asking someone.
Nah, I got some. Oh no.
Oh, yeah. We outside today. Listen, I
Hey,
don't
no,
have
man.
time to get ready. Yeah.
A quick little walk around before people start leaving, because then I'm gonna get tied up. Trevor. I know, I can see.
See what happens when you come late to the fucking party.
You still got an eye booger right there too.
Huh?
You still got an eye booger. Park right there.
Yeah, so this is
Nice ass color. Champagne quartz. James. E90. E88s. It's clean. M6. Clean M2. These are really nice. Long Beach Bully. How you doing, man?
Hey.
Hey.
How's your day?
Busy. Got Matt. Quick walk. It's a nice color right here. E46. 3 on backs. BC4s. And 4 seats. Clean setup. CSL trunk. Nice color right there too. Let's walk this way. Hello. You can see me. Snapper rocks.
He told about Mary. He said Mary did work on
So you guys can see Snapper rocks, Long Beach blue. This one's a little bit darker than this. John. It's a nice little alternator.
Even when I'm doing like directions, I just have it on the audio.
Jay, Greg. Got Jessica, Evan, Dallas, me, Joy, Yusuf.
Cinematics.
Nah, I'll leave that for you.
I'll fly the drone here after I get something to eat.
Pretty dope. Really clean. Oh man. Got E92 Lime Rocks, G80, HREs. These two look so good together. Eric, HREs, M2. Polished BBS, polished TEs, polished roll cage. This is something that I wanted to do on mine.
I'ma gotta get it.
Well, there's been a lot going on. Haven't really been able to film, but still a good turnout. You'll see what's over there. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Bree. GTR Evo. I think people are going to start leaving in a little bit. It's hot out here. I don't blame them. So we're back at the house. The Supra, BMW, Supra, my E46. Need some love. And then G80, G82, Supra, G82, F82, G82. This is cool though. The Astro Blue F80. Don't really see it too often at all, hardly. Just got it. 370, F80, and then we got the F32 and the F30. So with that being said, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I know it's a short one. I try to do my best to get as much footage as I could, but thank you guys for watching. If you guys came out to the event, appreciate you guys. We'll have another one probably next year, maybe in the fall, who knows. Stay tuned. But follow me on Instagram and subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, and maybe turn on the notifications on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.